This year's Student Bar Association president is Casey Daggett. And Casey was born and raised in Bainbridge, Pennsylvania. She chose Oregon Law because of its strong sense of community and its highly ranked LRW program. While at Oregon Law, she has enjoyed courses that have encouraged her to think deeply and critically, in particular in bankruptcy and international business transactions. Beginning this fall, she will be pursuing an LLM degree in corporate law at the University of Edinburgh in Scotland. She will now fulfill her last official duty as Student Bar Association president by delivering her remarks. And I want to say it has been a pleasure getting to know Casey and working with her over the last 2 years. Welcome to the podium, Casey Daggett.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon. My name is Casey Daggett, and I had the honor of serving as Student Bar Association president this past year. As this is our last time all together, I want to consider where we began back in August 2016. During our orientation, Judge David Schuman encouraged us all to think critically and deeply about the type of person we wanted to be in law school because it would pave the way for who we are after graduation. During that session, he also challenged us to remember the power that lawyers possess, both in terms of the respect we command and the very tangible, life-altering impact we can have on the lives of our clients. I have profound faith that the class of 2019 will consider these heavy burdens responsibly because I have spent the past 3 years alongside all of you. I have seen a profound commitment to bettering society and our communities, whether it be through increased environmental protections, support for survivors of domestic violence, or pro bono work serving our communities. And one factor that I think helps define our class is our support for each other. I have seen tremendous kindness from so many of you, offered to appear not with the expectation of receiving anything in return, but simply to support and validate each other in times of stress or anxiety. One professor mentioned to me our first year that we were, and I quote, actually too nice to each other. Our congeniality and support for each other sets us apart from many of our peers within the profession. And I know that we will continue this long after we leave here today and many years into our careers. The world needs people who care and who act more than ever. As Judge Schuman explained to us at orientation, people want to trust lawyers. People want to look to lawyers as shining examples of passion, morality, and dedication. This is a high burden, particularly if you've taken Professor Gassama's classes and feel stressed about humanity in general. However, I would nonetheless challenge us all, the class of 2019, to not only meet that high burden, but to thrive beyond it. I know we can, because I know you all, and I cannot wait to see the good you do for your clients, peers, communities, and the world. Thank you.